Live now to Andy Lipow. He's the president of Lipow Oil Associates, joining us from Houston, Texas. Andy, what do you think is giving oil an upside boost today? Is this the pledge for more fiscal policy support out of the United States or other factors at play?
Well, I think it is. The market is looking to the Fed to just throw lots and lots of money back into the economy, and then the market is reacting, saying, well, perhaps oil demand will come back sooner rather than later.
Could US intervention in the Saudi-Russia oil price war also be helping to support the momentum at the moment in the market?
Well, some people feel that the U.S. might ultimately mediate a dispute between Russia and Saudi Arabia, but the Saudis and the Russians have basically said they don't need the U.S. help, and they both appear to be fighting for market share. Although I think at the upcoming OPEC meeting in June, they're going to use the excuse of the COVID virus in order to come to accommodation because they just can't cope with these low prices, no matter what they say. Less than $25 a barrel oil just is not sustainable for neither government.
So what do you think the circuit breaker is going to be for this Saudi-Russia quagmire if it's not the United States?
Well, I think it's going to be the low prices because what we're seeing is a significant amount of demand destruction around the world. In round numbers, the world consumes about 100 million barrels a day of oil. I think the demand destruction has already been about 15 million barrels a day. Here in the U.S., we're already seeing gasoline demand off 27%. So I think that they may ultimately decide that doing something, even if it can't account for the entire amount of demand destruction, is better to at least stabilize the oil price because $30 is much better than $20.